Hey guys, so I'm going to get ready. I have to go to a dinner, so I'm going to get ready with you. I have already done my eyebrows off camera just because I had to charge my battery and kind of take some time, and it's just so repetitive. It's just eyebrow strokes. I used the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. I've been using this for such a long time and I really like it. So next we're gonna go in with e.l.f. This is the Lit From Within primer. It's just like a illuminating lotion. I'm gonna put this all over my face. Feels nice on the skin. It feels like a moisturizer. I don't notice my pores being blurred or anything like that, so I don't think it's supposed to do that. Doesn't say much on the bottle, that's why I'm saying I don't really know. It's just a plain package. I'm sure it said everything. It says Lit From Within on the cap, but nothing else. Now that that's all set, we're gonna use the Fenty Pro Filter foundation. My shade is in 210. And this is the EcoTools Beauty Sponge. I just got this the other day at Walmart. I think it was like $4.88. You know, their prices are a little like funky. I think it was actually the same price as the Real Techniques orange beauty sponge that they sell there too. So just another alternative for less expensive beauty sponge, because I can't see myself paying $20 for the what is it called? The beauty blender. The beauty blender. I don't know, I've found so many that have been so much less expensive, and I've purchased so many of them and it hasn't been over the 20 bucks, which is what it costs for one sponge. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit just for a second, and then we're gonna go in with a second layer, just because I got some stuff, discoloration and some current blemishes that I want to conceal a little bit more. But it's okay though. I rock no makeup every single day and I don't care. Wow, I just really noticed how flat this edge was compared to this edge. Cool. Even though I used this the other day in my other video with the blue eyeshadow, I didn't even notice that one side was way sharper than the other. And if you haven't seen that video, then I'll leave it in the description below. But I did a all blue makeup look. Just felt like trying something different. Eyes really quick. I don't really know what I want to do for my eyes. We are going to use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette just because it's just so easy to work with. Like I really do like this palette. Just, you know, when you have your go-tos lately. Like I've been into the Fenty foundation a lot lately. Probably because it matches me really well at this point of the season. So I'm just going in with, what is the shade called? Silk Cream. Just a light dusting in the crease, messy, nothing neat. I feel like that's how I usually go for makeup looks anyway. I'm not really sharp and crispy, even though sometimes I'd like to be, but. Now going in with MFEO. So I first went in with this one, and now I'm going in with this one. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild brush. I really like like these brushes. I'm gonna take butter and just put that like all over the lid. Just want them to be all blended and smoky together. Ooh, let's see what's that color. Pooter! Going in with pooter. This is just gonna deepen it right up. Let's go in with something a little darker. I'm gonna take an e.l.f. crease brush with Mocha. I'm gonna try and focus this on the outer portion, just a little. I'm just laying it down with the crease brush. I like to put the product on the flatter side instead of directly on the point. And then you can go in with the point and distribute your product. Okay, going back into pooter, I'm going over top of that. And when I do my eyeshadow, I let it go right off the eye. Like, I don't care that it's not sharp. I don't care that it's fading and frizzled and whatever. Clean it up. It's just makeup. We have to go in with concealer anyway. I always end up cleaning up my shadow with concealer. See how this comes down? It'll be gone. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. And going in with the Eco Sponge that we used earlier. Not bad, with the super flat side. So then that just cleans up that edge really nicely, and then it'll look even better once we do the lower lash line and throw on mascara. Everything comes together. Now we're gonna set that really quick. This is with the two lightest shades from the Kat Von D palette, mixed together right on the brush. Just press back over it just so it sinks in. And we're gonna go in and bronze up the skin. I'm using Physicians Formula Deep Bronzer with my Equal Tools Define brush. I never contour my nose, but I always put bronzer on it. Definitely just put a lot more than usual. So to fix that, I'm going in with an e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush with nothing on it, and just gonna go straight down the middle, because then we'll be left with some contour like on the sides. And this is just gonna take off that extra product. Going in with a Kala blush brush and my Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon Blush. Just blending that in with the contour. So I'm gonna set with my BH Studio Pro setting spray. Ooh. I usually take my fan and do a little, so we'll take a box instead. Going in with my Morphe M510 brush and Estee Lauder Heat Wave. This is the highlighter I also wore in that other video. Girl, this is booming. Like, everybody needs this. I mean, I have like nothing on my brush. Quick. I mean, really? 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 This is great. Like, I need 150 of these. Yeah, whatever. Like, I have a lot of texture. You can probably see it all, but do I care? No. Oh my god, I shouldn't keep putting more and more on. Oh, it's so good. So good. Okay, I guess I'll stop now. Alright, Cupid's bow.
Two hours later.
Just pushing that highlighter into the skin, that way it's not really like sitting there. So we're glowy, we're bronzed, we got blush, now we need to finish the eyes. Okay, I'm just gonna mimic exactly what I did on my lid space on the lower lash line. ME-FO. Next up is Pooter. And then Mocha. Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara. Okay, so now if this happens, let it dry. Don't touch it, let it dry. And then when it is dry, we will go in with a Q-tip and lightly rub over it, and then cover it a little more with some of the same eyeshadow in case it was disrupted by the Q-tip. Watching Parks and Rec. It's when Ulani tells everybody at Ben and Leslie's engagement party that she's pregnant. Lower lash line. I think we're just gonna do nude lip. This is Tootsie and it's a matte lippy stick by ColourPop. I'm gonna put a gloss on top. Thank you so much for watching and getting ready with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, peace. Hey guys, so today we are going to do just almost dropped it. Okay, my camera is about to die. Okay, we're back. Looking a little glowy. Just got a text from mom. Let's see. Okay, I guess I'm gonna highlight my nose. Are we lit on the nose? I'm looking for a brush. see if I can do it. Okay. Come on, focus. Blur. No.